Now let's transition to one of the most impactful new innovations we see in RFID reading, and that is the rise of autonomous mobile robots that can perform autonomous inventories. This technology is really groundbreaking because these robots can get pre-programmed on a set schedule to go move throughout a warehouse or a manufacturing facility safely, entirely safely, while performing physical inventories in real time and reporting that back. So again, it's designed with 3 readers, as you can see, the 3 readers which extend and allow the robots to move from a certain distance from the shelving or from any physical workstations and using passive RFID. They will scan, identify the tag ID and the location in which it's being detected with a date and time stamp. That'll be updated within the system, providing you continuous inventory counts. Some people say to us, can I take this and drop these into million square foot facilities and have one robot continuously moving up and down the facility throughout a given day? And the answer is absolutely yes. So this technology, bear in mind, is not a futuristic vision. It is immediate today capable of this kind of constant inventory counting capability. And we're seeing great results with it on the ground. And it's really not nearly as expensive as you might think. And it saves your team a tremendous amount of labor from cycle counting, which will allow them to free them up to do better things, more valuable things for your organization.